Welcome back, guys, to my daily portfolio update. This is Fernando Herrera, and today we're going to be talking about Eli Lilly, the stock that has been dropping today. But first, let's go ahead and talk about the portfolio just roughly. So the indices are all down. However, it's not very volatile, very strong. They did start with a bit of a more positive trend, and then somehow it's been kind of going down along the day. It could be that the trend continues to go downwards, or it could recover just slightly. Now, before I forget, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. This is a Fidelity account series where I've deposited $8,000 so far in a matter of 8 months, and we've been able to profit $917 of value so far. So if you want to know what I'm buying, selling, or what pretty much I'm doing, feel free to just simply follow me through this journey so you guys can know and understand what's going on. Now, today our biggest performer in the stock market is Planet 13. Planet 13 has been underperforming the past 3 to 4 weeks. And finally, they've actually breaking through back to that $7 mark, which is great. Now, also we have another, one of our other best performers for today is AMD and Nike. And then we do have Wells Fargo, UPS, and Lilly, which again, we are going to be talking about. Now, Lilly, for those of you guys who don't know what this company is, we initiated a position in Eli Lilly probably like 3 weeks ago, 2 to 3 weeks ago. And it's a pharmaceutical, pretty much like a drug company that just makes drugs for certain diseases. And there is a specific hype, or we could say a specific drug that Eli Lilly is developing that has a lot of investors very interesting. This drug is for Alzheimer's, and pretty much they've been giving all sorts of talks and reports about how promising this new drug's going to be for at least to slowing down the development of Alzheimer in people. And so it seems to be that Eli Lilly talked a little bit too much, to the point where it created a little more expectations than it actually had. So yesterday or last week, they actually uncovered a report. And so it seems to be that the report was definitely not a good one, or at least not to par to shareholders' expectations, and therefore we're having a sell-off. Now, I'll be the first one to own up to this specific mistake. I should have perhaps waited a little bit longer to acquire more shares on Eli Lilly. I did 3 buys, pretty much my initial purchase, another purchase like a week ago, and then more buying purchase on Friday. So I should have probably waited that Friday purchase, and should have waited to see after the news. However, I was actually very confident that Eli Lilly was going to pretty much give a little bit better results in terms of their drug report, but that wasn't the case. Now, that doesn't mean that Eli Lilly still is out of the game here. They still have that drug, and they still have the possibility to, I guess, develop the drug. Now, think about it for a moment. In terms of Alzheimer's drugs, there's really not other competition, so there's really not that much competition. So I do see Eli Lilly being the leader towards this drug, and overall they do have a good dividend. They are technically undervalued in terms of valuation compared to other stocks, and so again, a good price target I had set was of 280. Right now it's 180. We actually are already 7% drop, or technically losing in value, which means it's a great time to buy. Now, does that mean I'm going to buy right now? I'm probably not going to be buying right now. I'm actually going to be waiting until the full sell-off, see how low it goes, and then I'm going to start partially reacquiring some purchase. Not to mention, I already actually have a bit of a high stake in the stock. I already have like around $350 worth of value, or worth of money in this stock. So I'm already kind of like tied up in my position with Eli Lilly. So we're just gonna see where this company takes us. Just kind of thought it would be important to mention this for you guys, in case you guys did invest as well, or if you're looking into investing in Eli Lilly, just keep it in your watch list, and it might be a good buying opportunity soon. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. And again, I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. Peace.